guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to make the perfect soft-boiled egg. This method works every time. Come on, let's go get started. Today we're going to make the perfect boiled egg. I like to use this pot. It's relatively small, and I like to put as many eggs in it as I can get in it. You can always have leftover eggs, right? Just barely cover the egg with cold water. You can add a little salt to the water in case any do crack, and keep your eye on it. Once that water comes to a rapid boil, set the timer for 3 minutes. Then take it off immediately and run it under cold water. That will be the perfect soft-boiled egg. That is a rapid boil. Now set your timer for 3 minutes. Okay, time's up. It's too hot to handle, so put some cold water in there and then run that out, put some more cold water in there. And when it gets to the point where you can touch it, then you can put your hand there, get all the warm water out, and then just cover it with cold water. You should realize that with a soft-boiled egg, the longer you leave it out, even after you've run it under cold water, the more cooked it continues to get. I'm going to crack this open and take a look. Pull half of it off. Oh, just look at that. That is the perfect soft-boiled egg. It's a no-fail method. This is a 4-minute egg. If you like it cooked a little bit more medium, not soft and not hard, right in the middle. Give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.